Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you delete Roblox account. So you cannot delete Roblox account from Roblox app. You need to delete it from Google or any browser. So I'm just going to Google. So now search for roblox.com/support. And after searching for it, you need to log in. Here you need to give your Roblox username and password, and after giving it, just click on login. Now just give your first name, your email address, confirm your email address, now select your device, now select the type of help category, just select the fourth one, age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Again click on please select and select the second one, adjust child privacy and security settings. Now in the description box just type what I have described, and after that just click on submit. Now for verification you need to start puzzle, and after doing that you can just delete Roblox account from your mobile. So guys, that's how you can delete Roblox account. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.